Hello friends, welcome to Savvaji. Today we are going to learn Gavalu, that is a sweet shells recipe. Festival season is going on, so today we are going to learn very easy recipe from Andhra. And Gavalu means shells, and the sweet is shell shaped traditional sweet made in Andhra Pradesh, and these were done basically to make in hygienic conditions and nutritious and economical too. But in modern days, we find in most of houses that both parents working to catch up with the fast paced life, and hence not much time to cook anything special. But these types of sweets do not take much time for cooking, as they are easy to prepare. There is two versions of preparing this, and today we are going to prepare with jaggery. Let's see the ingredients required to prepare. We need all-purpose flour, that is maida 2 cups, Suji rava or chiroti rava half cup, and salt 1/4 spoon, ghee 3 spoons, and water to prepare the dough, and oil for deep frying. And for jaggery syrup, we need a jaggery 1 cup as needed, and water half cup, and a pinch of cardamom powder, and Gavalu board that will be available in market, or you can use a fork to prepare the shape of these sweet shells. Now coming to the preparation, mix all-purpose flour, rava, salt and ghee in a mixing bowl, and add water little by little, and prepare a non-sticky dough, and the dough should not be too soft nor too hard. So like this, prepare the dough perfectly. Keep aside this dough, covering the wet cloth, and leave it for 20 minutes. And after that, take a lemon sized dough and prepare small balls out of it. Take very small balls. Marble size balls are very much okay. And this is Gavalu board available in market, so take this and gently press each ball on the Gavalu board as shown in the picture. Apply the little oil to get the nice shape. Keep the designed surface out, and carefully roll the Gavalu little bit to give the shell shape, like this. Very easy to prepare. So all marble balls are turned to Gavalu. Now heat oil in a heavy pan and deep fry the prepared Gavalu in batches on medium or low heat for around 5 minutes. Fry them till they turn to golden brown. So don't forget, do it on medium flame. Once the Gavalu becomes crispy and golden brown, drain the oil and transfer them onto a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. Now meanwhile, combine jaggery and water and prepare a thick syrup. For that you have to filter the jaggery water, and then you have to keep the jaggery water to prepare the syrup, and prepare the 2½ thread consistency of jaggery syrup. Add a pinch of cardamom powder and keep it aside. Transfer the deep fried Gavalu to a mixing bowl. Add required jaggery syrup and mix it thoroughly. You have to do it immediately after preparation of syrup. So adjust the quantity of jaggery syrup according to your taste. You have to do it immediately because the syrup gets concentrated immediately, so do it immediately, and spread the jaggery coated shells on a plate for 2 minutes to get dried up. It takes hardly 2 minutes, I said, and once they are dried up, they won't be sticky anymore. Wow, yummy, yummy, right? Super. So enjoy the sweet shells. They are very much ready, really tempting. I can't resist. So you also prepare and enjoy these sweet shells on Diwali festival. Very lovely and a tasty recipe, right? For giving a crispy touch, we have added Suji Rava here, and we get very good results with Chirati Rava also. And so try whatever available with you. And if the dough has become too soft and you are not able to give a nice shape to the gavalu, try adding little more Suji Rava to the dough and keep the dough close to avoid becoming dry. So this is for today, sweet shells, and you can also prepare with sugar syrup also. So try it and enjoy. Keep watching my videos and like and subscribe.